Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I want to show you how to change DPI in Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop. Then go to the image menu of the top bar. Click on the image size. Shortcut Ctrl-Alt-I. Here we see resolution but didn't get DPI. It's secrets. Resolution and DPI as a scene. Then change DPI 72 if you want. Then OK. After change DPI, now we check the DPI size. As a previous process, go to the image menu of the top bar. Click on the image size. Here we see 72 DPI. If you enjoy this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe.